Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I would like to do unboxing for all the Asian Challenge units. So I have 2017, 18, and 19 for this year. Okay, so we're gonna do a unboxing and also do a compare, see which one is better and has the better parts come with in the unit. Okay, and also in the end of the video, start from this one, I will put the trailer, for example, will shows you what's the next video that I'm going to do. All right, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so here we're gonna start from the 2017 Indonesia Asian Challenge Specials. So the item number is 95351, and let's start from the body. So the body is Avante, and the color red, and material heart, and this is the stickers. Okay, and also the chassis is S2, color white, and that is the polycarbonate reinforced chassis. Okay, and the parts for this one is red. Okay, and the size for the wheel is medium size, wide spoke wheels, and the tire is red tires, material hard, and the gear ratio 3.5 high speed gear. Alright, so this is the 2017 Asian Challenge Indonesia unit. Okay, so let's go for the next. Let's go. Okay, so this is the 2018 the Asian Challenge from Thailand, and the item number is 1A711. Okay, and so this is the sticker for the body. Okay, and this is the body, and that's color red and hard plastic. Okay, and the chassis is FMA chassis, regular ABS. Okay, and the parts is color black. Okay, and this is the rear plate, and the tire is medium sized tire, and it is soft tire. Okay, and this is the should be the gray color, but it's metallic gray, and it's a spoke medium sized wheel. Okay, a spoke. Okay, and the gear ratio is high speed gear 3.5, and also come with one carbon penny gear. Okay, so this is the 2018 Thailand Asian Challenge, and let's go for the next 2019. Let's go. Okay, so this is a 2019, and the item number is 1A717, and this is the 2019 from Philippines, and this is the jeepney, and here is the body, and also come with the roof. Okay, and this is the stickers for this unit. All right, and the chassis is FMA and material ABS, regular ABS. Okay, and the parts color red, and come with the medium size A-spoke gray tire, gray wheels, and tire soft tire, medium size soft tire, and this is the rear plate, and the gear ratio 4.21, and with one carbon reinforced penny gear. All right, so this is all the Asian Challenge card, and next one we're gonna do a compare and see which Asian Challenge, which year that come with the better parts. All right, so let's start with our scoreboard. Let's go. Okay, so for the chassis, the 2017 has the polycarbonate reinforced chassis, so it got 0.1, and for the body and all the car come with the hard body, so it's all 0.5, and the gear ratio 2017 and 18 got high-speed gear, so they both got 1, and the wheels is all regular wheels, is all 0.5, and the tire 0.75 for the 2017, and for the others 2018 and 2019, they both got the carbon ringing force pinion gear. So the winner for this is 2017 Indonesia Asian Challenge Unit. So the total score he got is 3.75. Okay, but for others 2018 and 19, they are all good. I didn't mean is those are bad. I'm just saying like I'm just doing a compare and see which one comes the better parts. So for others two, is still good because it still represent the country that he has for the Asian challenge. All right, so please don't get me wrong on this test. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so this is the next video I'm going to show you is the RS new version 2.5. So you will see in the video later, I'm gonna show you the trailer video and you can see what's the different and what's the new on the 2.5. all right, so don't forget, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share, and if you have any question, please leave a question in the comment at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, so let's check the video. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.